Queen, ba't naman ganito tong product mo? Pang baby pa naman siya.
Wow!
It smells like whipped cream in my hand.
For today's video, tutry na natin itong Tenderu Rice Essential Shampoo Body Wash. So, 2-in-1 na siya. Pwedeng pang shampoo and pwede rin pang wash. Packaging pa lang niya, sobrang ganda na. Nakikita mo talagang high quality. Ito yung kanyang nozzle.
Oh!
I want
Ang
some.
bango. Yung texture niya, thick talaga siya and napaka-creamy.
Alam niyo ba, 200 pesos lang to for 200 ml na siya. Alam niyo, isa pa nagustuhan ko dito guys, parang ang tipid niya kasi isang pump lang na cover niya or nasabanan niya na yung katawan ni Tala.
Look at you! And hindi siya time-consuming kasi hindi niyo na kailangan lagyan pa ng water.
And in fairness, napakatik talaga ng texture niya.
Para may hawak ka na malambot na sabon. Yun yung feeling niya. Ang bango.
It smells so good.
Wow!
It smells like whipped cream in my hand.
Alam niyo ba, meron tong 3 nutrients to nourish baby skin and hair. Meron tong hydrolyzed rice